Hello everyone, it's Nick Lawson with CDC Take Charge Software. This is our first lesson on building a Powerball Random Number Generator. Um, what I've done is created some of the first forms that we will use. We have our main menu, which will have a link going directly to their site. We have a access button that takes us to the number generator form. View historical numbers from all previous drawings. A trend analysis form that will take and not only provide the random numbers, but allow people to look at the numbers that come up most often, or the grouping of numbers that come up most often. And then we'll have some printed reports that people can do, and then finally, of course, an application exit. So far, all we have is this main, the number generator, and we're going to go there and take a look at that. Now here's our form. As you can see, there's lots of stuff on it. One thing that's important is we make no claims about the success of this software, obviously, and you need to look at the odds of actually winning. They're pretty much stacked against you. So keep in mind, this is entertainment only. It's simply a game. It's not going to improve those odds one iota. Now, what I did is I've already gotten these numbers from the drawing on the 5th, but I'll show you where I went to do that. You go get the numbers, takes you to their web page, and allows you to take and record the numbers from the previous night's drawing. Let's go ahead and minimize. Then you would just type those in. Now, one of the things that we may do is write a routine that automatically writes those numbers in from the web page. I've already looked at it, and it is something that we can do. Here you have an archive numbers button. Once you take and receive those numbers, you want to take and archive the numbers to a historical table so that the trend analysis stays current. And then over here is where we have all of our different ping pong balls with the numbers in them. They're random numbers. Now, the rules for playing Powerball are pretty straightforward. Each white ball represents a number from 1 to 59. Each red ball, which is the Powerball, is a number from 1 to 35. So what we've done is we've created a grid that will give you a total of 12 choices that you can choose a number from. So you have 5 rows going across, 5 rows going down, and then 2 diagonal rows. Like that. Down here, your randomized number goes out and generates a unique set of numbers, 1 through 59 on the white ping pong balls, and 1 through 35 on the red ping pong balls. And it'll show you if you have any matches with the actual numbers drawn. So let's do that. We randomize, and there you go. We have one $4 winner over here. That's not a winner because it's not enough matches. So if you would have picked this row, if you would have picked this row of numbers to play, and you only played at one row, it would have cost you $2. You would have won $4. You'd be $2 ahead. But you still have to take and make a lot of choices. If you played all 12, you would be 12 times 2 is 24, and you won 4, you'd be down $20. What I did when I first wrote this is tested it, and I clicked it, the randomized numbers against the drawing on the 1st, and I ran it about 100 times. And in that 100 times, I came up $32 ahead. Certainly not a winning testimonial, but it is fun. And so let's click it a couple times to see how many wins we got. So there you go. Again, no real money. No real money. There's a win right there. 3 balls is $7. But again, you would have had to pick that specific row. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Yeah, certainly here's a win. That's a $4 win. And so as you can see, there's a win there. Your odds of winning using the program is basically the same odds you would have if you just walked into a uh, corner convenience store and said, "Give me a random list of numbers." Now, what we hope to have happen is that when you take and go to the trend analysis, you'll be able to use that historical data analysis to manually pick the numbers that you'd want to play, which might give you a better chance of winning. Um, but again, no promises and no guarantees. Well, okay, that's all we're going to show you in this particular video. Tune in for the next one where we will look at how the numbers are actually generated in our random number generator and how we take and do the highlights showing the matches. Thanks a lot and have a great day.